In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy to ChatGPT. If you've been looking to bring your GoDaddy tools into your ChatGPT workflow, this walkthrough will get you connected quickly and confidently. We'll move step by step, and I'll call out a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start in ChatGPT. Look to the lower left corner of your screen and click your profile. This opens a small menu where you can access your account controls. From here, click Settings. The Settings window is where you manage features and connections, and that's exactly what we need. Inside Settings, find the section labeled Apps. Depending on your interface, it may appear as a tab or an option in the sidebar. Open it and then choose Explore Apps or Add More. Both take you to the same place, a catalog where you can discover and connect available apps. At the top of this catalog, you'll see a search field. Click inside the search bar and type GoDaddy. Give it a second to load the results. When you see the GoDaddy app appear, click it to open its details page. This page summarizes what the app does and what it needs permission to access. Next, click Connect. If any prompts appear, simply follow the on-screen instructions. You may be asked to grant permissions, so ChatGPT can communicate with GoDaddy, and you might be prompted to sign in to your GoDaddy account to confirm the connection. Read each prompt carefully, then continue. Once the authorization finishes, the app will show as connected. A quick tip here: if you don't immediately see apps in settings or GoDaddy doesn't appear in the search results, try refreshing the page and make sure you're signed in to the correct ChatGPT account. Access to apps can vary by region or plan, so ensure your account supports the app's feature. If a prompt seems stuck, closing and reopening. Settings usually resolves it. After connecting, return to the Apps section in Settings and confirm that GoDaddy is listed as connected. This is a handy way to double-check everything is set up correctly. If you ever need to review or revoke access, you can come back to this same place and manage the connection. That's it. You clicked your profile, opened Settings, chose Apps, explored the catalog, searched for GoDaddy, hit Connect, and followed the prompts. With that done, your GoDaddy app is now linked to ChatGPT, ready to streamline your work whenever you need it.